Hello everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you this topic, that is programs on basic elements of Python. So let's start. First of all, we will see program number 1, that is write a Python program to add two numbers with user input. So here is the solution. X equals to int of input enter first number. So with the help of input method or input function, user can enter a number, but always it will give us a string as its data types. So with the help of this int, we are going to convert the string data type into integer value. Similarly, y equals to int of input of enter second number. So with the help of input method, user can enter the value. Again, it is of the type str or string data type, and we need to convert that string data type into int value. So that's why we have written int over here. Now we have two numbers. Now print of the sum of first number and the second number is comma. See, the first number is in x, the second number is in y. So we are going to add two numbers x and y, that is x plus y. So what will be the output in this case? So we have enter first number. Say the user has entered 10. Then after enter second number. Now say the user has entered 20. Then after the sum of first number and second number is 30, that is 10 plus 20, 30. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Now enter first number. Say the first number is 10. Then after enter second number. Say the second number is 20. So what will be the output in this case? Definitely the sum of first number and second number is 30. Now again I am running this program to make you understand by taking different values. Just click on this run button. Now enter first number, say 5. Then after enter second number, say 4. Now what is the addition of 5 and 4? Definitely 9. So the sum of first number and second number is 9. Now we will see program number 2, that is write a Python program to find the area of triangle. Now what is the formula to find out the area of triangle? That is half into base into altitude or height. So to find out the area of triangle, we require base and height. We'll just multiply base and height, and then after we'll divide the result by 2. See, here is the solution. B equals to int of input enter the value of base of triangle. So with the help of this input method, user can enter the value of base of triangle, and the input method always give us string value. So we need to convert string value into data type. That's why we have written int over here. Now h equals to int of input enter the value of height of triangle. Now again with the help of this input method, user can enter the height of a triangle, and again that will be the string value. So that's why we need to convert that string value into data type. Then after print, the area of the triangle is 0.5 into b into h. This is nothing but the formula to find out the area of triangle, that is half into base into height unit. So what will be the output? Enter the value of the base of triangle. Say user has entered 10. Then after, enter the value of height of triangle. Say the user has entered 20. So what will be the area in this case? The area of the triangle is, multiply these two values, that is 10 by 20, that is 200. Now divide the result by 2, you will get 100.0 unit. So the final output is, the area of the triangle is 100.0 unit. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program in PyCharm editor over here. Now I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Now enter the values. Enter the value of base of triangle, say 10. Now enter the value of height of triangle, say 20. So what will be the area in this case? Definitely the area of the triangle is 100.0 unit. You can check the output of this program by taking different values of base and height of triangles. Now we have program number 3. Write a Python program to find the area of circle. Now what is the formula to find the area of circle? See, that is pi r square. Pi is a constant value. Its value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. And r is a radius of circle. So what we will do? We will just multiply pi by radius, and again we will multiply the result by radius of a circle, and it will give us the area of circle. See, here is the solution. First of all, we will write down import math. See, this math is a module. From this math module, we are going to take the value of pi. That's why we have to write down this statement, that is import math. Now r equals to int of input, enter the radius of circle. So with the help of this input method, user can enter the radius of circle. Again it will give us the string value, and we need to convert the string value into int value. That's why we need to write down int over here. Now y equals to math.py. From math module we are going to take the value of pi. So here we are going to assign the value of pi in the variable y. Now print the value of pi is comma y. So with the help of this print statement, we will print the value of pi. Now print of the area of the circle is comma y star r into r. See, here y, that is nothing but the value of pi, and r into r, that is r square. So this is nothing but the formula of area of a circle. R will be entered by the user, and we have taken the pi value from math module. So finally this multiplication result will give us the area of circle. So what will be the output in this case? Enter the radius of the circle. Say the user has entered 10. Then after, for this print statement, the output is like this. The value of pi is 3.1415926535897993. So this is the value of pi. Now the area of the circle is, see, what will be the area of the circle? Multiply 10 by 10, so it will give you 100. Now multiply 100 by this pi value, you will get answer, that is this one, 3.14.1592, and so on. So this is the required area of a circle. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program over here. Now I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Now first of all, we have to enter the radius of circle. Say that is 10. The value of pi is 3.14 and so on. Now multiply 10 by 10 by 100 and multiply the result by pi. So the area of the circle is 3.14.159 and so on. So this is the required area of a circle having radius equals to 10. You can check the output of this program by taking different values of radius of a circle. So in today's lecture, we have seen three programs based on basic elements of Python. First program was of addition of two numbers. The second program was of how to find the area of a triangle. And the third one was of how to find out the area of a circle. Thank you for watching this video.